God, I will fly. I will fly. I will fly. Sacred songbird, you beautiful being, you inspire me just by spreading your wings. You inspire me just by spreading your wings. I remember the day I looked the universal God in his eyes and he forgave me for everything that I've done. I remember the day I looked the universal goddess in her eyes and she embraced me for everything that I've done, walking me with loving and open arms, holding me into my tears were no more. Holding me into my tears were no more. That was the day that I faced my mother. That was the day that I faced my father. That was the day that I faced my brother. That was the day that I faced my sisters. That was the day that they faced each other and gave birth to this misconception of who they thought I was to be. Only to conjure up my self-esteem and paint this portrait of a self-reflection of me. I faced myself. I faced myself. Me, myself, and I. Me, myself, and I. Me, myself, and I. Me, myself, and I. We sat down together and we cried. And we cried. And we cried and we asked God, why? 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 Only to hear a soft whisper beneath the wind and echo within my ears and tell me to soar, soar, high past the sky. Soar, soar, straight past the stars. Soar, soar, high past the moon. Soar, soar, straight up to God. I will fly.